Living an eco-friendly lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. There are many simple and surprising hacks you can incorporate into your daily routine to reduce your environmental footprint. From saving energy to minimizing waste, we will tell you 10 surprising eco-friendly hacks for every day. Make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Reusable shopping bags. Plastic bags are a major source of pollution, often ending up in landfills or polluting waterways. Making the switch to reusable shopping bags is a simple and effective way to reduce your plastic waste. Keep a few reusable bags in your car or by the door so you never forget them when you go shopping. Many stores also offer incentives for using reusable bags, such as discounts or rewards points. Number 2. Unplug unused electronics. Did you know that many electronic devices continue to draw power even when they're turned off? This phenomenon, known as phantom energy, can contribute to unnecessary electricity consumption and higher energy bills. By unplugging electronics when they're not in use or using a power strip to easily cut off power to multiple devices at once, you can reduce phantom energy and save electricity. Number 3. Opt for meatless meals. The meat industry affects the environment a lot. It causes problems like cutting down forests and making gases that warm up the planet. But there's something we can do about it. If we eat more meals with plants instead of meat, we can help. Trying out vegetarian or vegan recipes a few times a week can make a big difference. You might even find that these meals taste really good and make you feel full and happy. So by choosing more plant-based foods, we can help the environment and enjoy tasty meals too. Number 4. Compost food scraps. Instead of throwing away food scraps and letting them fill up landfills, you can try composting instead. Composting is like recycling for organic waste. It's easy. You can start a compost pile or use a special bin. Throw in things like fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Over time, these scraps break down and turn into nutrient-rich soil, perfect for your garden. Composting not only cuts down on waste, but also helps to reduce harmful methane gases released from landfills. So it's good for the environment and your garden too. Number 5. Use reusable water bottles. Using plastic water bottles once and then throwing them away causes big pollution. Every year, millions of these bottles end up in places like landfills or the ocean. It's better to buy a strong, reusable water bottle. That way, you can keep yourself hydrated without making more plastic waste. Also, lots of places now have stations where you can refill your bottle easily when you're out and about. Number 6. Choose eco-friendly cleaning products. Traditional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to both the environment and your health. Fortunately, there are now many eco-friendly cleaning products available that are made from natural and biodegradable ingredients. Look for products that are labeled as environmentally friendly or consider making your cleaning solutions using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Number 7. Wash clothes in cold water. Heating water for laundry accounts for a significant portion of energy usage in many households. By washing your clothes in cold water instead of hot or warm water, you can reduce energy consumption and save money on your utility bills. Modern laundry detergents are designed to work just as effectively in cold water, so you won't have to sacrifice cleanliness for sustainability. Number 8. Embrace secondhand shopping. Fast fashion has a massive environmental impact, from the production of clothing to the disposal of unwanted items. Instead of constantly buying new clothes, consider shopping for secondhand or vintage clothing. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces offer a wide selection of gently used clothing at a fraction of the cost of new items. Not only is secondhand shopping more sustainable, but it also allows you to express your style. Number 9. Reduce paper waste. In today's world with computers and phones, we can stop wasting paper easily. Instead of getting bills and letters in the mail, choose to get them on your computer or phone. Also, say no to getting extra letters that you don't need. If you have to print something, try to use both sides of the paper. And when you're done with paper, make sure to put it in the recycling bin. These simple steps can help save trees and keep our planet clean. Number 10. Grow your food. Growing your fruits, vegetables, and herbs is not only a rewarding hobby, but also a sustainable way to reduce your carbon footprint. By cultivating a small garden, Whether it's in your backyard or on your windowsill, you can produce fresh, organic produce without the need for harmful pesticides or excessive packaging. Plus, gardening is a great way to connect with nature and reduce stress. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Green Life Guide for more amazing content. Thanks for watching till the end.